First, I'm going to apply tape near my eyes to keep the shadow clean and defined. Then I apply a light silver shadow on my lid and brow bone. Now I blend brown eyeshadow on my crease. Now I apply a bright navy eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eye in a V shape. Remove the tape and apply foundation. I simply apply all over my face and blend with the brush. And now for concealer. To get Tay Tay's dramatic look, add more eyeshadow under your eyes. To make your eyes appear bigger and brighter, apply white eyeliner to your waterline. To get Taylor's glowy cheeks, add blush and highlighter. Add a pink lipstick. Taylor Swift had a deep side part with her hair swept across her forehead. Now let's shake it up with these turquoise earrings. It's Jessica from Hey Gorgeous.